This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, last class we have seen what are the different type of cloud deployment models available. We have seen there are 4 deployment models, right? Private cloud, community cloud, public cloud, and hybrid cloud. And then we went ahead and opened a developer force account. Now let's understand what actually you did. We have performed a step where I told you to go to Google, type developer force, go to the link called developer.salesforce.com, right? Then click on sign up, right? Fill the form, go to your email, click on verify account, and it'll ask you for your password. Change your password. You are logged into the Windows and you are logged into the platform environment of Salesforce. Now, what exactly we did is the question. Let's understand what exactly we did. Every one of you, I asked you to go ahead and open an account, right? Don't think that it is like a Facebook account. For example, yesterday I created an account for a company called as ABC Private Limited. ABC PVT PVT LTD. This is what I created. Inside this company, there is only one user at this moment. Only one user. Who was that? Rupam @ of101.com. Right? Similarly, you guys might have created similar accounts like this. Everybody would have created. Maybe you might have given a name called as XYZ, right? Whatever the name might be, company name you might have given, right? You might have given some name to your company, right? XYZ, some name. You might have created at xyz@xyz.com, xy@xy.com, right? Similarly, somebody, let's pick up someone from here, right? So let's go ahead, right? Let's say that I see the first name here is Abhinaya. So let's take that. Abhinaya might have created an account like this, Abhinaya @ some gmail.com, right? Gmail.com. She might have given some name to the company, maybe Abhinaya Technology or something, whatever it is. Whatever she wished to give a name, she might have, while right creating the platform account, she might have given some name. Abhinaya Technology Limited. Now, don't think it's like a Facebook that whatever I do, you'll be able to see. Whatever you do, I'll be able to see. No, this is an org. You have just installed. You have just installed. You have just installed a Salesforce in your environment. And this environment is completely sealed. Anything that happens will happen within this boundary. Similarly, your environment is also sealed. When I say sealed, nobody can transact the data. That means you cannot, don't think that I can share something, right? Similarly, you can also share something with me like this. No, right? These are individual org. You just created an individual org. Each org, whatever I do, right? Here I will create users, one more user, Sachin @of101.com. I will create one more user, Rahul @of101.com. Right? I'll create such users. I will create such users in my system. Whatever the work is done by Rupam, Rahul can see. Whatever the work is done by Rahul, Sachin can see. Within this boundary, no data transaction is allowed outside, right? So don't think that if I do something here, you'll be able to see, or if you know right? You would be able to see, oh, what Rupam is doing. No, you cannot. These are individual orgs. You just did a deployment for XYZ. I just did a deployment for ABC, right? Each one of them boundary is completely secure environment, right? No communication between these. No communication anywhere. Clear everyone? Right? All these organizations are individual deployments. So that means, right? All the students, whoever are there in the class, they created their own accounts, own developer. You just did an installation for an organization. It is an org deployment you have performed, right? So it's not that it will communicate. Clear everyone? First step. Second, now you created an account yesterday. How can I log in? Login can be done from anywhere. You can go to Salesforce. I told you do not, right? Do not go to Salesforce and don't go here. Now I'm going there, Salesforce, right? Right. I go to the Salesforce, salesforce.com/India. On the top, I see a login. On the top right-hand side corner, I see login. I click on login. I click on login. I enter my username, rupam@of101.com, password crm1234 hash. Login. Now, by the way, all of you know my password, username, but none of you can log into my environment. Do you want to register a mobile phone? No, I don't want. If you want, you can do that. All your authentication passcode, one-time password will be sent to your email or with a registered mobile, right? I will recommend not to register because you will start getting some, Salesforce messages. Your wish. This is the screen that we landed yesterday while closing the class. I told you that this is what the screen that you'll be able to see. Now, once again, I click on my beautiful pic towards the right hand side top corner and I click on log out. I log out. Now, let me go to Google. Whenever I'm logging in from developer console, I type developer force, right? This is the place from where you created your developer account. If you remember yesterday, the green button sign up, everybody would have gone there and clicked on sign up and would have filled the form and would have opened the developer force edition platform account you have opened, a platform org you have opened. Now, if you click a login here, there's a login button also there. If you are logging in from developer.salesforce.com, remember that you have to log in twice, 2 times. For example, I click on login. I am in developer, right? First time I'm logging in. What is that? Rupam@of101.com, password crm1234 hash. First time. It asks to allow. Allow. Am I in my Salesforce platform? No. No, I'm not in my Salesforce platform. Wait, it's coming up. It takes you to a development forum. It takes you to a development forum. See, it takes you to a development forum. Something. Tell about yourself a little bit more, your job role, your company, postal code. So that Salesforce developer. I say continue. Oh, it may ask, right? Your job role. Again, you see that it's asking something, which company name, ABC, postal code 5000, right? I say continue, right? It brought me to another screen. It brought me to the developer resources screen. That is the reason I told you, if you are going for developer.salesforce.com, again, you have to click on your name and click on my developer account. You can see Rupam Chakravarti, right? Rupam@of101. Click on my developer account. Second time, 2 times you have to log in. Rupam of101.com, password CRM1234 hash. See, now you are in your developer edition. You are in the development platform. You can see setup here, right? If you are able to see this, this is your development screen. There is only one user at this moment called Rupam. Whenever you log in from login.salesforce.com once, whenever you are logging, you're going to developer force and then clicking on login, you have to log in twice. Everybody clear? Yes. Login can be done from anywhere. You can log in from Salesforce. You can directly go to login.salesforce.com, or you can go to developer.salesforce.com, log in once, again click on your name, click on my developer account, again enter your username and password. You'll come to the screen. You'll come to the screen, right? You'll come to the screen. Clear, guys? Everybody understood, right? Even though these are small things, I'm just showing you the differences, because tomorrow you shouldn't get surprised saying that, Arey, I logged in developer, it's not coming up. How to log into this environment? You guys would be, right, have to build yourself to an experience of 3 years. Small things do matter. Remember this very well. Now you are in Salesforce environment, a developer force environment. This is the place you have a full-fledged developer edition lightning platform for free. It's a free lightning platform Salesforce has provided to you. What should I do, Rupam? Right? Let's start today. Before I start, there's one more thing I want to explain. Right? One more thing. Now, after completion of this course, HCL, let's assume that you got a job in HCL. Let's assume, right? Let's assume that you got a job in HCL. So this is you. This is you, right? This is you. You. You got a job where? You got a job to HCL, right? Let's assume that you got a job in HCL. Perfect. Okay, Rupam. Happy that I got a job in HCL. Now, whenever I'm saying developer, admin, developer, admin, right? Analyst, consultant, I'm referring to you. Whenever I'm using these words, right? Whenever you hear this word from my mouth, developer, admin, analyst, I'm referring to you. Remember this. I'm referring to you. You, all the student in the class, I'm referring to you. It's a developer work. It's an admin work. That means your work. It's a consultant job. That means your job. It's an analyst job. That means your job, right? System engineer, right? So many are there, still there. Software engineer, right? SW, software engineer, right? Software tester. All these I'm referring to you guys. Now, right? HCL has a project. Let's assume that it's Apollo Hospital. Apollo Hospitals. Apollo Hospital wants a software. Who will be building? You will be building it, right? You are assigned to this project. You are actually assigned to this project. Which project? Apollo Hospital project. You have been assigned. Whenever I use a word called as client, going forward, whenever I will say client, I am referring to your project, client project. Your client, HCL client, it's Apollo Hospital, client project. You will be assigned to this project. Indirectly, you are assigned to this project. Finally, who will be using the software? Finally, who will be using the software? Whatever the development you're doing, who will be using it? Employees of Apollo, like nurse, receptionist, right? Doctors, right? These are the people who will be using the system. Who will be using the system finally? Nurse, receptionists, doctors. You are
End
developing
user.
the screen, right? Whenever I say end user, I am referring to not to you. You are not the end user. Whenever I say end user or user, I am not referring to you guys. I am referring to your client's employee who will be finally using this software. Employees who will be finally using this software. I am referring to, right, end user. End users are nothing but, right,
Rupam, one
employees of your
question.
company.
Yeah.
Yep, tell me.
Yeah, so this admin, I mean, I don't know the real world scenario, so I don't know. But the Apollo hospital does not have any admin to maintain their user who is, who is to
No,
be added
no.
and
Do you
okay.
think that because for an admin, they will outsource the project to HCL only? They will say, hey, we are Apollo Hospital. We are busy with our own hospital staff. We
Hmm.
have all medical staff. We don't have an IT staff. IT is completely outsourced. So, right, we don't want to hire a Salesforce specialist here. You guys are specialists, so we will give you a maintenance project. So the
Okay.
maintenance, whether it's a development project, maintenance project, all this will be handled by HCL only, right? Continuous billing. They will have, HCL will say, yes, how many hours support you require? We require 24 by 7. Okay, that means 3 resource. Per resource, it's a support project. We'll charge you $10 per hour. They will do an agreement of
Hmm.
tickets. Priority 1, priority 2, priority 3. Priority 1 will be addressed. The first response will be within 4 hours. Priority 2, right, within 8 hours. Priority 3, within 24 hours. And they will have a resolution timeline. Priority ticket 1, we will try to resolve within, right, 8 hours, 8 to 10 hours of reporting. So hence admin will be from, right? Even Apollo Hospital has an admin. Let's say that. Then also I'm referring to you. You are not a doctor. You are a software developer. You are a Salesforce specialist. Whether
Hmm.
you work for HCL, whether you work for Apollo, you are still an IT guy, right? So
Yeah.
it's you. So that's it, right? Next. Now, whatever the system that you developed, whatever the system that you develop, whose information will be stored in the system? Whatever the system that I have developed, whose information will be stored in the system? Right?
Patience.
Patients. That's correct. Right? The data will be entered. All the data inside the system will be whom? Belong to the patients. Patient related information will be available here. Patient. That means whenever I say, right, customer, customer, I am referring to your client's customer. Here, that means your patients. Patients. Whenever I use a customer, I am referring to not Apollo Hospital. I am referring to Apollo's hospital customer. Their information will be stored in the system that you're developing, right? Patient registration, doctors will see everything, end to end patient related information will be stored in that system, right? Patient. Customers are of two type. In customers are of two type. Account, contacts. Accounts, contacts. Also called as company accounts, also called as company account. Contacts are also called as person account. Remember this. Customers are of two type. Who is a customer here? Patient. Patients. Patients. Who is the customer, right? Whenever I say customer, I am referring to patients. That is where the data will be fed in the system, right? Customers are classified into two categories, accounts and contacts, right? So first write down customer master. Put a heading called as customer master. Customer master. Table or object. Table or object. Table or object. Table or object maintaining. Table or object maintaining. Table or object maintaining transactional data. Transactional data. Transactional data regarding a customer is called customer master. Is called customer master. Master, M-A-S-T-R, is called customer master. Table or object maintaining transactional data regarding a customer is called customer master. In the real time, you'll be hearing customer master, product master. They'll use a master keyword. Master keywords are nothing but main tables. These are the core tables. Very important tables. Master table. That means this table gives data to everyone. Right? For example, you want to have an operation. From where the patient has to come? From customer master. Somebody wants to pay the hospital bed charge. Who is paying? Patient. From where the patient has to come? Customer master. Whether it's a payment, whether it's an operation, whether he goes to the diagnostic, from every other departments will try to access the patient information. Hence, patient information is called customer master. Customer information are accessible everywhere, right? Once stored, right? Right? They are not changed again and again. Date of birth will remain ever, right? Address, mostly it will remain unchanged. Phone number, mostly it will be unchanged. The table where changes doesn't happen frequently. Whereas in the payment table, left and right change will happen. You're paying now, for injection. Next, you're paying for something else. Next, you're paying for every day. You're paying. Transactions are, increasing, decreasing, frequent. But in a master table, transactions are very less. Such tables are called master table. Tables which are important, which give data to others, other table. Table, right? What it is table? It's a place where we store the data. Table is nothing but it's a place where we store the data. So whichever data are very less changed and that data is feeding another data, we call such table as master table. Hence customer master. Hence customer master. It's a master table. So you can understand that any wrong in this one table will affect everything everywhere, right? So we have to make sure that these tables are well maintained and well tuned, right? From the performance perspective, every perspective, this table should be responding fast. They are your priority tables. As soon as somebody, go walk in the payment, you type a patient ID and if it doesn't pull, can you accept the payment? No, the counter will get delayed, right? Hence, your master table should be fast. We call them as customer master, right? Next line. Customers are of two types. Number one, account, bracket, company account. Account, bracket, company account. Next, contact, bracket, person account. Contact, bracket, person account. Contact, bracket, person account. Now write down next subheading, account. So customer master or customers are of two types, accounts and contacts. Accounts and contacts, right? First subheading, accounts. What is an account? Any group, comma, company, any group, comma, company, comma, organization, any group, comma, company, comma, organization, comma, team, comma, society, comma, association is called account. Is called account. Example, Government of India. Example, Rajasthan Royals, it's IPL team. Chennai Super King is an account, right? Sai Anurag Welfare Association, account. HDFC Bank, account, right? Ravi Enterprises, account, right? So what is an account? Collection of group, a company, organization, society, everything will come as account, right? Now you might be thinking, in Apollo Hospital, how can account be there? Yes, Apollo is selling a health insurance package. They are selling health insurance package to all the IT companies, right? Right? They have entered an agreement with BCCI, Bharat Cricket Council of India, right? That if any of while playing any match tournaments, if an player get injured on the ground, Apollo Hospital will pick the cricketer with a helicopter from the ground to the nearest hospital. BCCI has signed a agreement, nothing but, right? Now, BCCI is a customer of what? Apollo. What type of customer is BCCI? What type of customer is BCCI? It's an account. It's an account. It's an account. It's an organization. So yes, right? Yearly, right? 25 crores BCCI is paying to Apollo Hospital. Why? As part of a contractual agreement they have, they purchase a product called as support, life support for cricket players. Anything happens on the ground, immediately BCCI will inform BCCI, sorry, they will inform Apollo. Apollo will arrange a helicopter and they will, right, no road, nothing, directly they will come land on the ground, pick the cricketer and take it to the nearest Apollo hospital. So I sold a product to BCCI, a service product. BCCI is a customer of Apollo. What type of customer? They are account. Similarly, Apollo is selling lot of packages, insurance packages, health packages to certain organization. For example, CMR Engineering College. The sales team of Apollo went to CMR Engineering College and sold a package to the college, saying that all the college staff, teachers, faculties will get 20% discount in Apollo Hospital, right? A group discount policy they sold. CMR is what? It's a customer. To whom? To Apollo Hospital. Now, that is called any group, company, organization, we call them as account, also called as company account. Next, write down. Next, contacts. 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 Any individual customer are called contacts. Example, Saurav Ganguly. He's a chairman of BCCI. Fine. But if he goes to the hospital separately for his problem, then he is an individual customer, right? Rupam, Narendra Modi, right? Amit Shah, all these are contacts. All these are contact. Amitabh Bachchan, contact. Amitabh Bachchan, contact. Any individual customers are called contact. Any group organization are called accounts. Accounts and contacts. Customers are classified into two categories, accounts and contacts. Everyone clear? Everyone clear? Now, let's go to the Salesforce, right? The first thing that we are going to start would be your customer master. I click on App Manager. Where is the App Manager? Towards the left-hand side top corner, exactly below the Salesforce logo, blue logo, you have a nine dotted square box. When I click on it, I click all. I'm able to see the projects or solutions, sales solution, marketing solution, service solution. Tomorrow, you'll be able to see one more rectangular box coming up called as Hospital Management 2.0. As soon as you click on Hospital Management 2.0, immediately, right, the way I'm clicking on sales, immediately the sales module loads. On the top, I'm able to see opportunity, lead, task, file, accounts, contacts, campaigns, dashboard, report. Similarly, as soon as you click on App Manager, click on View All, you would be able to see Apollo Hospital. One rectangular box will come. The way you see the multiple rectangular boxes, marketing, sales, one rectangular box, one more box will come, Apollo Hospital. As soon as you click on Apollo Hospital, immediately it will load patient, operations, diagnostic, right? All this as per the hospital requirement, it will load. And that's exactly is your work, to create such requirement as per client. Now, what is this then? If you remember the demo class, I told you out of box, Salesforce gives you a CRM software, CRM. You like it, use it. You don't like it, create a new one. Develop a complete hospital solution. You want to take something from here? Yes, you can take it. Right? You can take it. No, I don't want to take anything from here. I want to start from zero. I want to build everything from zero. Fine, go ahead. Out of box, Salesforce gives you what? A CRM software. Right? There, write down next. CRM. In a bracket, customer relationship management. CRM. Bracket, customer relationship management. Customer relationship management. If somebody asks you what is a CRM, don't say customer relationship management. Right? That is an abbreviation. You're expanding. That's it. What is SBI? Don't say State Bank of India. SBI and State Bank both are same. You'll say it's a bank. Same way, what is a CRM? Write down the definition. Write down the definition. What is a CRM? Customer relationship management. Customer relationship management is a business strategy. Customer relationship management is a business strategy. Please, I asked everyone to write, take a notes. I'll be giving you very short one line or two lines max, right? You will get your course material. Fine. Why I'm writing, Rupam? If you are giving me a course material, why am I wasting time on writing? The reason is that here I will give you short, crispy, immediately fried chicken I'll give. In the notes, you will get the whole hen. Now you decide you want to go by the hen or you want to go by the crispy chicken. Right? That's the difference. There it will be in a detailed manner. Here it will be in a short, immediately for interviews, so that you can quickly turn the notes and you can see what is a CRM, what is a customer master, what are the different types available, what is account, what is contact, right? CRM. Customer relationship management is a business strategy which aims to optimize which aims to optimize minimum customer interaction, which aims to optimize minimum customer interaction in order to maximize business success. Customer relationship management is a business strategy that aims to optimize minimum customer interaction in order to maximize business success. In order to maximize business success is called CRM. Is called CRM. So what is a CRM? CRM is not a software, guys. CRM is not a software. CRM is a business concept. It's a strategy. It is a theory. It's a business management theory, right? What is the theory says? The theory says whatever process, software, application, whatever you do, minimum customer interaction. That means if you want to sell a product, if I want to sell a product, I meet the customer 20 times and then I sell a product. Will you call it as an effective sale? No. The reason? 20 times you met, you wasted your time, customer time, right? Petrol, diesel, everything. Why can't I sell the product in just 2 or 3 meetings? Why can't I sell a product, the same product, in a 2 or 3 meetings? If you are able to sell a product in 2 or 3 meetings, that's called CRM. It's a business strategy. What is the strategy says? The strategy says minimum customer interaction, maximize business success. You have a problem, right? You bought a phone has a problem. You went to service center, right? After you gave the phone to the service center, you don't even know what's happening. You call, always engage.
Strategy is an idea, sir.
It's an idea. It's a planning. Strategy is a plan. It's a plan.
Yeah.
So CRM is a plan. CRM is not a software. It's a plan, right? It's a plan. It's a theory, right? The theory says minimum customer interaction. Now, after 10 days, right, the service center calls you and say, hey, Rupam, come and collect your phone. And they give your phone back to you. Are you happy? No. Because you have been calling the service center every day. What is my status? What is my status? What is my status? Right? While going to office, I went to service center 2 days to know the status. See how many times I'm interacting? Through phone, I call them. That's an interaction. I sent them an email. That's an interaction. I went personally. That's an interaction. Right? So multiple interaction I'm doing with the service center to get my problem resolved. Why can't the service center, as soon the phone is deposited, kink, kink, your phone has been submitted after 2 days. Your phone work is under progress. We will keep you updated. After 3 days, your phone part got damaged, waiting for a replacement part expected in 3 days. Do you need to call the service center? No. Because automatically you're getting a response through an SMS, through an email. Your phone is repaired. You can come and collect tomorrow between this time to this time. See, I neither called. I just went first day, submitted the phone. I went on last day to pick up the phone. Even though there was a problem, I'm still happy because I need not to worry what's happening there. Minimum customer interaction, only 2 interaction, first day and last day. Such type of strategies are called CRM. So with this software, we are trying to cut down the interaction. With this whole software of Salesforce CRM, SAP CRM, Siebel CRM, right, Pega CRM or Pegasoft, all these CRM in the market is for what? To make sure that you don't, right, follow up with the customer again for the same thing, right? So CRM definition. What is the CRM definition? Minimum customer interaction, maximizing business success is called CRM. Another one line answer. Minimum customer interaction, maximizing business success is called CRM. Good, done. Now write down modules of CRM. What are the different modules in CRM? Right? Number 1, marketing. Number 2, sales. Number 3, service. Every CRM will have three modules: service, sales, marketing. People always calls it out wrongly. People always calls sales service marketing, which is wrong. Wherever you go, people say sales service marketing. No, marketing, sales, service. This is the correct sequence. So what are the modules of CRM? Three modules. What are those? Marketing cloud, sales cloud, service cloud. That's exactly what you're able to see now here. Whenever you click on your app, click on view all, you would be able to service cloud, service module, marketing cloud, marketing module, sales cloud, sales module. Minimum a CRM will have these three modules. Other than this, there could be more modules, but these are the minimum requirement for a CRM software, because these are the places where customer will interact. Advertisement, there the customer will see. While buying the product, there you will talk to the customer, explaining the product. After the product is sold, there's a problem, service, there the customer will interact. Places wherever customer can interact a business, right? These are the three modules that we cover: marketing, sales, service, right? Marketing, sales, service. Now wherever I go, I click on sales, you see that there is an account and contact. Accounts. What is an account? See on the top here, there's account, right? I'm in the sales module: home, opportunity, lead, task, file, account. Account. What is an account? Any company, group, right, is called account. I will click on this new button. Here is the new button towards the right hand side top area. New. I click on new button. A form comes in. What is the account name? I will say government. Now I'm doing a data entry work. Government of India, right? What is the account number? 1001. By this, immediately somebody should ask, Rupam, why I am writing this number? Why can't the system generating this number? Account number should be generated by system automatically. Correct. You are 100% correct. Right? If everything happens out of box, then why we need you? Why are you learning the course then? Your work is to make sure that this number generates automatically. Account rating: hot, warm, cold. Any customer who wants to buy the product immediately is called hot. Customer whom you require little bit of persuasion, little bit push, kuncham pushing, sir, bouncer, konkon sir, bouncer, bouncer, called warm customer. Cold, నాకు phone కావాలి, I want a phone. From after that, you are calling, sir, new model, I'm sending you on WhatsApp, see the pic. After seeing the pic, he's not even responding, okay, nice, send me more, nothing. Such type of customers are called cold customers. Sleeping customers are called cold customer. Persuading customers are called warm customers. Aggressive customers are called hot customers. I'm using some terminologies, guys. I'm using hot means aggressive, warm means persuasive, pursuing customer, cold means sleeping customers. I'm using some business terminologies. You have to remember, hot means aggressive. Customer who is very aggressive, he wants to buy, one day only he wants to see all the models. Aggressive customer. I will say warm. Phone number 040, right? Sorry, 011 12345678. Fax number 011 666666. Website www.indiaindia.gov.in. Ticker single, I will say GVT, government, some type of, right, some type of symbol, right, called ticker symbol. Ownership, public. Number of employees, how many people are working government? I don't know, but I'm just entering some number. SIC code, very popular in US. Depending on your nature of business, American government allocates a number 2021. All government offices will have 2021. All education 2093. All cinema halls 2041 something. Depending on your nature of business in US, right, they allocate a number called a SIC code. Annual revenue, I don't know. Industry, I'll scroll down. I will say government. I want to add more choice to this. Yes, that's the reason you're here. What type of customer it is? Customer direct. Account site, New Delhi. I'm scrolling down. Billing city, 1 Sansad Marg. I'm filling it. 1 Sansad Marg, New Delhi. NDLS. Zip code is this. Shipping. I'm copying the same address. I'm doing a data entry work, guys. Right? New Delhi. Customer priority, high. Any SLA, he's a silver customer, gold customer, titanium customer, bronze customer, ittadi customer, iron customer, impa customer. Could be, right? So gold customer. I want to add one more choice called iron. That's called customization. That's where I will do. Wait, this is the first day. Any serial number, the product they purchase, this is the serial number, right? Number of locations, they have about 5,000 locations, government offices. Can you sell anything immediately? Yes. Upsell opportunity, yes. Active, yes, this customer is active. Description, blah, 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 blah. Click save. Error in the page. Scroll down, see what is the error. See, number of location is outside the valid numeric range. 50. See, there is a problem. I have to fix this. Save. One customer got created in my system. What type of customer it is? Right? It's an account. I click on details. All the data that I filled just in is available here. Once again, I go to accounts. You can see there's one account called Government of India. I click new. I create one more account. What is that? ICICI Bank. I create one more account. Right? You can see, if you observe, I will zoom my screen in. In the account name, there's a star mark, red star. Whichever field is red star, it's compulsory field. That means the remaining fields are not compulsory. There is no red star anywhere. I just click on save. Another customer got created in my system called ICICI Bank. I go to the details. Everything is blank. Rupam, how can I make phone as compulsory field? That's exactly your work. Customization. Customization. Phone number. See that now. Phone number. In the phone field, I am typing Rupam. In the phone field, phone number, I'm typing Rupam and I'm clicking save. It's not even giving me error. It's saving it. Whose work is to validate this? It is your work. You have to write the validation rule in this field so that other than numbers, nobody can enter a text there. Mobile number, only 10 digit, not more, not less. Currently, you see that all these are not there. No validations, no checks, no governance rule, nothing. I can enter anything anywhere. That is the reason we need a customization and configuration of the system. People like you who can go ahead and customize, right? So I created account. How many accounts I created? 2. I click on new. I'm creating one more account. What is that? Ministry of Home Affairs. Ministry of Home Affairs. Ministry of Home Affairs. Whom this? That's the individual department. This department is reporting to whom? You see that system is showing Government of India and ICICI Bank reporting to Government of India. What is the phone number? 666. Fax number 777, right? Ownership public. I'm scrolling down. Billings NDLS, right? Country INDIA India. City NDLS. I hit save. One more account got created. I go to the details. Whatever data I entered, I can see here. If you want to enter the data again, click this pen icon and enter www dot, right, home ministry dot gov dot in. Save. See, right? I can after saving also I can attach. See what I created. How many customers are there? 3. What type of customers are they? Accounts. What type of customers are they? Accounts. Right? Will this data will change frequently? No. Right? If the Home Minister Amit Shah changes, he will change after 5 years. So for 5 years, this data will not change. Neither the office phone will change, neither the website will change, neither anything will change. Hence, we call them as a master table, customer master. Whenever you want to create something, right, you will take the information from this table. Guys, everybody is able to understand, yes or no? What I'm doing, why I'm doing. Yes.
Yes.
How to create a customer in Salesforce? How to create a customer in Salesforce? Is it my work? No. You will not put in your resume that you created accounts. This is an end user work I'm doing. Why I'm doing end user work, Rupam? To understand the gaps in the system. You have just realized that the phone number can take text. Auto number is not generating. If you would have not created, if you would have not tested this, you would have never known that the phone number is accepting a text. Hence, currently we are testing out of box Salesforce CRM so that we know where we are developer. As a developer, we are entering some test data into these accounts, contacts to check whether they are all working good as it should be expected. But I can find a lot of issues here. Similarly, now I'll go to contacts. Any individual customer is called contact. Any individual customer is called contact. Same thing I'll do. I'll click on contact. I will click on new. I will fill the form. Mr. Narendra Modi. Do you want to link? You see that last name is compulsory because there's a star, red star. You can link to an account. Narendra Modi. I'm linking to Government of India. It's not compulsory that you have to link. No. Title, PM, Prime Minister. Department, PMO, Prime Minister Office. Date of birth. I don't know Narendra Modi's date of birth. Let's take him somewhere in 46. 8/21/1946. Is he reporting to someone? Yes, he is reporting to Ram Nath Kovind, the President of India, the highest supreme power of a country. Currently, because I didn't create any supreme power, I didn't create Ram Nath Kovind, so it's not displaying. Right? Next, phone number. Mr. Modi's phone number 555. Home phone number 666. Mobile number 777. Other phone number 888. Fax number 999. Email address narendra@modi.com. Assistant name Rahul. Principal Secretary. Assistant name Rahul. His phone number 888. Mailing address, right? I don't know where he lives, but whatever it is. Mailing city, New Delhi. Right? State, NDLS. Zip code 70001. India, INDIA, India. Right? Scrolling down. Language, Hindi. Even PM can speak English, but primary language is Hindi. Right? This is the Prime Minister blah, 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 enter blah, 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 whatever the data you want to type, click on save. How many customers are there? 4. How many customers are there? 4, right? 3 accounts, 1 contact. 3 accounts, 1 contact. I go to details. I see all the details. Mr. Narendra Modi. On the top, it shows contact Mr. Narendra Modi. Who is Narendra Modi? My customer, right? Narendra Modi was admitted to a hospital. So hospital will register Narendra Modi as their customer, right? Contacts, right? I click on new, right? Next. Who is this? Mr. Amitabh Bachchan. Account name? No, he's not anywhere. Leave. It's not a compulsory. What is the title? Actor. Department? Bollywood. Right? I don't want to give a department. It's not a compulsory field, guys. I'm just filling it. He's reporting to whom? We don't know. From where did he came to know about us? By web, by phone, by referral. Somebody referred our hospital to him. What is his email address? amitabh@amitabh.com. His mobile number 777-888. I click on save. How many customers are there? 5 customers are there. 5 customers. 2 contacts, 3 accounts. 2 contacts, 3 accounts. Any individual customer is called contact. Any group, organization, society, we call them as accounts. We call them as accounts. Everyone clear? Whatever I'm teaching here, guys, remember that you are not here for what I'm teaching. You're here for what you're learning. Do not hesitate to ask the doubts, guys. Right? I'm not a trainer who will feel bad when you're asking doubts. No. Right?
Rupam sir, I'm having one
Correct.
doubt. So
Tell
the
me.
from the end user point of view,
Mhm, mhm.
so will they only maintain the customer information, account information, or something else they can do?
They have to maintain so many things, right? Whenever you open an account, let's say Government of India, there are 101 things they have to maintain, right? How many opportunities, how many cases, right? Partners, so many things they have to maintain. Now we are entering some basic details. You want to capture more information, more fields has to be added here. We will add more fields. So currently out of
Okay.
box, this is what is given to you. If the
Hmm.
business wants customization, then you guys are there to customize it. Business says,
Okay.
okay,
So
don't create a new one. Let's use the account and contacts. Can you add a little bit? Can you add more fields? Yes. Can you add in the contact? Can you add India has recognized the third gender, male, female, and third gender. So that means whenever I click on right where I click on edit here, I see Mr., Miss, Doctor, Professor. We want to add X. Government of India has recognized third gender and we want to update it in the system. X Rupam. That means neither male, neither female. X Rupam. Yep.
okay, that means the developer will create some customized field, and the end user
Yes.
will interact with the
That's
Salesforce
correct.
link and will maintain the
Right.
customer information.
That's correct. You will create a custom field in the database, then you will bring in the design, you will write a validation rule in that field, everything, and then you will deploy it. After deploying, they will go to salesforce.com, right? They will use their password, login. They click on account and they'll be able to see this. Clear?
Okay. So something else, Rupam, except the apart from this customer information maintenance, anything else there in Salesforce? Like let's say some transaction I'm doing that can I maintain or things like?
Yeah, obviously, you're just today's the first class.
Oh,
This is the first class. What do you think? This is the only thing in Salesforce.
that's what I confused.
Why? Why are you thinking in that way? You are. It's just a half an hour or 40 minutes over. I can say, right? And you just wind up the whole Salesforce saying that that's it. Huh. Your whole hair will be lost once we get inside the Salesforce. This is not the end of the end user work. This whole week we would be testing this. To complete testing of the end user, it will take at least 10 days now. Now you tell me, is it the only thing in Salesforce? 10 days. What? Only end user work. Only to see how he can create an order, how he can go ahead and create an invoice, where he is creating a product, how can he create an opportunity, how can he go ahead and create a sales cycle. From there, how can he generate a report? From there, how can he go ahead and do a shipping? How can he register a case? Where is the contract? How the contract will be into case? So many things are there, which will start one by
Fine.
one. I started
Yeah.
with just a basic of one master table called customer master. So don't think that's it, Salesforce. No, this is not even 0.00001% of Salesforce. Not even 1%. If you divide 1 into 100, 1 divided by 100, that is the work you have done just now. Right?
Okay, fine. Thanks, Rupam. Yeah.
Right. Welcome. Anybody has any question till here? Anybody has any questions? Right? Whatever I'm doing, it's an end user work. Right? Who is the end user? That's the reason I told you. End users. That means you, for the moment, is here. Currently, you are here. Why? Because we are testing out of box Salesforce. Once we know the whole Salesforce, then we will start looking. Because if I directly go ahead and start saying auto numbering of a account field, you will say, where is that field? Where is that field? Who uses that field? How that field is used? You don't know. Now you know where is the field, how it will be used by the end user. Now you know that yes, I need to. Then we will come to here. This, whatever I'm doing now, is called consulting. Complete end-to-end Salesforce flow is called consulting. Complete end-to-end Salesforce flow, which I'll be drawing tomorrow. Whatever the doubts you have, tomorrow everything will be cleared. Is it only this much data they will do? No. Tomorrow I will draw. It will take 40 minutes for me to draw a diagram tomorrow. I will draw it live. What is a sales cloud? What is the sales cloud includes? It includes 9 elements, top level. What is the service cloud include? What is the CLM? Where is the CPQ? Not visible to your eyes, guys. Don't worry. Now you are able to see only these many tabs, right? You want to see what the end user does. These are the all. Can you see? These are all the things the end user will do. Everything, whatever you are able to see. In addition to this, more are there. We out of this, I am only in this now. Accounts. The first one. Accounts. Credit memos. See, they have to issue a credit memo, right? If somebody is returning the product, then you will give a credit memo. Invoices. See, payments, payment line invoices, line level invoice, right? So many things are there, guys. It's just the starting. Right. What we have seen today, we have seen how to create an account, how to create a contact, how to link a contact to account. Once again, I create one more, right? I'm creating one more, right? Mr. Amit Shah. Amit Shah. Oh, last name, no? So I'll put in last name. Amit Shah. Right? Account. I can link to Government of India. I can link to Ministry of Home Affairs. I need not to fill anything else. Save. Right? I created one more customer in my, what type of customer? Account. I will go ahead and I'll create new. I will say what? Mrs. Smriti Irani. Cabinet Minister. Right? Cabinet Minister. Minister of HRD once upon a time. So Cabinet Minister. Smriti Irani. Phone number 11111. Right? I'm linking to where? To Government of India. Safe. right? Now, let's go ahead. Click on account. I open Government of India. I would be able to see there are two contacts to Government of India. There are two contacts. Smriti Irani, title no. Narendra Modi, PM. Title is PM, Prime Minister. When you place your mouse over it, you would be able to see, did Narendra Modi registered any case? No. Did Narendra Modi has registered any opportunity? That means any buying opportunity? Yes. Then it will be show. We'll do this slowly. Currently, we just created a customer master. This is what we have performed today, right? Now, write down the homeworks first. See, your task is coming up, right? Write down the homeworks. Number one, write down the homeworks. Number one, first, create 10 contact, create 10 contact, 10 accounts, link 7. Create 10 accounts, 10 contacts, or create 10 contacts, 10 accounts, meaning is same. Create 10 accounts and contacts.
Sir,
Tell me.
sir, I don't have login ID and password because I joined today.
Okay. Don't worry, I'll talk to you later, okay? Right? Toward the
Yeah.
end of the class. Sure. Right? So what is first homework? The first homework for today. Create 10 accounts, 10 contacts. Link 7. I created 3 accounts. I created 4 contacts. I linked how much? I linked 3. Amitabh Bachchan is unlinked. Not linked to any company. Not linked to any account. First homework. Easy. First homework. Easy. Right? Second homework. I met Narendra Modi. Narendra Modi gave me his Aadhaar card, PAN card. Recently, Narendra Modi, has announced something. He gave me a video. Where will I upload? Where will I upload? He gave me a scan copy, a JPG file of his pic. Where should I upload? Right? Question is not that, even though the homework. Yes, go to related, click on notes and attachment. There you can say upload files. See, here I can upload the picture. Narendra Modi gave me a beautiful pic, right? Narendra Modi gave me a picture. I want to upload it. Let's take it from old batch. I will go to OF91 batch. Any pictures are there? Yes. Narendra Modi gave me this picture. Open. Done. Under the Narendra Modi, a picture was loaded. I will say upload file. One more. Narendra Modi gave me a PDF document. Right? I went ahead and I say, right, where is the PDF? Anything. Right? That's that. Here is a course material HTML. Right? Let it be HTML. I say open. It loaded. HTML, 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 HTML. Rupam, why are you repeating this word again? Right? Remember this HTML. Right? I loaded 2. Question is, I gave you the question where you can load. I gave you the answer. Your homework is done in the class. But now on that second homework, 2.1. 2.1, write down one file format that you cannot attach. One file format that you cannot attach. Tell me one file format that Salesforce doesn't accept. JPG, yes. MP3, yes. DOC, yes. XLS, yes. Right? PDF, yes. XML, yes. EXE, yes. .zip, yes. Zip file, yes. Now, tell me one file format. You have to come back to me and say, hey, Rupam, this file format cannot be uploaded. 2.1. 2.2. What is the maximum size upload size? What is the maximum upload size? What is the maximum upload size? Can I load 2 MB? I can load a movie. Okay, fine. Right? Can you load a movie MP4? Yes, Salesforce support. Can I load 5 MB? Yes. 20 MB? Yes. 100 MB? Yes. 500 MB? Yes. 1 GB? Yes. 2 GB? Yes. 100 GB? Yes. Give me the maximum size. Understood the homework? What I'm giving you? Understood the homework? What I'm giving you? Right? Second homework. 2, 2.1, 2.2. Third homework. Right? First itself, I told you, every day I'll give you task. Right? Every day I'll give you task. Now, observe, guys. Look in the screen. Narendra Modi, Government of India. Smriti Irani, Government of India. What does that mean? Right? What we just did, we linked Government of India to Narendra Modi. What I just did, we linked a Government of India to a Narendra Modi. Yes, Government of India, right? Government of India, or let's do a vice versa. I don't mind how you give the arrow, right? One account, I can make the arrow in a reverse direction also. I don't mind, right? One account has multiple contacts. One account has multiple contacts. Narendra Modi and Smriti Irani were linked to Government of India. One account has multiple contacts, right? I will reverse the arrow. Meaning is same. One account, Smriti Irani. I'm reversing the arrow. Meaning is same. Oh, sorry. Control C. It's the same meaning. One account, one is to n. One account, multiple contact. Possible? Yes. Possible? Yes. I'm writing it down. One account, two, multiple contact. Is it possible? Answer is yes. Yes. Now I will ask you a reverse question. Can Smriti Irani can also be linked to ICICI? Right?
Yeah, she can.
So either earlier one account, multiple contact. Now I will say one contact, Smriti Irani, one contact. Can I link to multiple account?
Yes.
Find it out. Don't say yes.
Okay,
Find
sir.
it out, right? Uh, just do that. Understood what I'm saying? The arrow can be opposite. I don't mind where is the arrow. I have one contact called Smriti Irani. Can Smriti Irani be government of India? Yes. Smriti Irani has an account in ICICI Bank, right? Smriti Irani has an account in ICICI Bank. Is it possible? Is a question mark. This is the homework. This is the homework. Earlier, one contact, multiple account. Now I'm saying opposite. One contact, multiple account. Possible or not? R&D homework. This is a review, research, and development homework. R&D homework. R&D. Just get me the answer yes or no. That's it. If you get yes, it's over. If you get no, then don't go further. Stop there. No. Right? This is the homework. 3 homeworks I'm giving you for today. Everybody is clear with the homework? Yes or no? All good? We are already in the Salesforce, guys.
Yes, sir.
Right? Tomorrow onwards, this link will not work. You will have a new link. Please contact your course admin. Register yourself. By now you understood. If you are able to understand my class, I give you that assurance and guarantee, including the programming. I will go from 0. People who have not done the programming in their life will also understand. My class, I will take it from at the same pace, at the same level I'll be taking it. Right? Tomorrow onwards, link changes. This link will not work. If you are logging in this link tomorrow, there'll be no class on this link. Please contact the admin. Your respective admin, please contact the admin, register yourself. Please contact Capital Info, right solution. You have the phone number. If you don't have, ask me, I will tell you. Right? Get the link, register yourself. Right? So today we just did the basic. Tomorrow I'm going to start your marketing cloud module. What is a marketing cloud? We'll start tomorrow. Marketing cloud. Right? Then we will go to sales cloud. We will see CPQ. Then we'll go to service cloud. We'll see CLM. And then we will come to the administration. All these, whatever I'm teaching or will be teaching in the next 5 to 7 days is called consulting topic. There is a certification available called CON 201 paper. Consultant. Those who want to become a consultant, for them it's important. No, I want to be a developer. Wait, for them also this is important. Because as a developer, you should be knowing what are the loopholes, where I have to, what are the places where I have to write rules, I have to mend, I have to fix. Whether it's a developer, whether it's anyone, you have to go ahead, right? And you have to make sure that you understand these. All the homeworks to be sent to me on my email address. You will be sending your homework at rupam.sfdc80@gmail.com. rupam.sfdc80@gmail.com. This is the email address. That's where you will be sharing your homework. All the line should start with OF101. OF101, right? So customer master homework. Whatever the topic I'm giving you. Subject doesn't matter, OF101. Guys, anybody has any questions? Anything that you want to ask? Onwards, link will change. It is a last and final day for you. If you are still in a dilemma to ask question, it is a last and final call for all those who are onboarding on the Salesforce 2020 flight from career change to a new career job can board now.
Can we get question? Like
Sir,
these
sir,
things didn't get right.
Can we get?
sir, I don't have login ID and password.
I'll come there. Wait. I'll come there, guys. I'll come to you. Right? Login ID password. Please wait. Question. Others. Others. Any questions? Anything that you still require clarity? Anywhere you still need some information? Right? Career, Salesforce. Can I? Cannot? Is it a right time? So anything you have a dilemma.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, Rupam, in financial applications, can you tell me some examples in, like, let's say in core banking or
Right? Definitely.
any
Why not?
transact?
All this
Yeah, can you?
banking, financial. I'll give you a financial project at the last. If you want real-time finance project, I'll give you a CPQ project, configure price quote, right? So you can implement it. Which part of the finance you want to implement? You want to implement for a
Actually,
loan
Rupam,
division?
I'm currently working in core banking system, so it will
Oh,
have like
fine, right?
yes, yeah.
I got it. See, I understood that completely. Where do you want to implement it? You want to implement for the whole bank? No, I want to implement only for the loan divisions, right? Only for
Yep.
loan product, or I want to use for my standard banking transaction purposes. I want to have a combined software. Yes, you can. We can make everything.
Okay, okay, okay,
Right?
okay, fine. Then
See,
I'll
I showed you that,
consider more.
but Barclays, right? Barclays, right? American Express, right? Western Union Money Transfer, Franklin Templeton, Edelweiss Finance. These are all financial organizations, big financial organization of the world. They are using Salesforce, so you can understand, right?
Okay. Yep. Yeah, Rupam. Yep.
Any other questions, guys?
Thanks, Rupam.
Send me the screenshot, Tejaswini, right? Send me the screenshot, right? Just the screenshot would be great with the description. Okay, right? Any other questions before I move to the password, username and password topic? So tomorrow, guys, those who want to continue with me, welcome on board. Those who want to off board, thank you, guys. It was really nice talking to you. Hope that whatever the class that you had for the last 3 days were worthful for you to at least increase your knowledge set on cloud computing. What are the cloud computing? What is the cloud computing? What are the different modules, right? Deployment modes. So at least you got a basic idea, right? That's it, what I can say. Those who are offboarding, best of luck for your career. Those who are with me on the flight, see you tomorrow at the same time, right? Thank you. Now, for the password, right? For the password, please refer to yesterday's video, right? How to create this environment, right? What is this environment? How to create this environment? Please refer to yesterday's video. Please contact the admin. They will share you yesterday's video. Watch, and you will be able to get it.
Along with the link.
Everything, it's there on the yesterday's class video. You have all the
Oh,
details. Yesterday's class video.
okay.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
See the
Thank you, sir.
last part, last 10 minutes. That's it. You don't need to watch the whole 1.5 hour. Just watch the last 10 minutes. That will be enough. So if you don't want to waste the time, then last 10 minutes, watch. You will be able to see how to get in this environment and everything. Okay.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
thank you, guys. Have a nice and wonderful day. Take care, guys. Good day. Good night. Bye-bye.
Hi, Ramesh from Capital Info Solutions, admin. So, if you have any doubts regarding of the fees and all these things, you can contact me on 8686864286 number. Otherwise, if you have any doubts, you can ask me on this one also. And today, user I don't know the name. Sorry, I'm sorry for telling. Like user. Actually, you joined today only. Just I'm asking for your name and mail ID. So, if possible, please send your name and mail ID in this chat. So we'll communicate to you. And who joined for the today's only for the first day today class, please contact contact to the 86864286 number, so that we'll provide the link for you for to attend the tomorrow's class.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks, guys. Bye bye.
Thank you.